Top crazy gadgets available on Amazon. Did you know that in today's world, a gadget can completely change the way you work, play, and even snack without you moving a muscle? We live in an era where technology isn't just convenient, it's borderline magical. From gadgets that make your MacBook feel like it's levitating to frozen treat makers that turn bananas into ice cream in seconds, Amazon is stocked with innovations that feel more like science fiction than reality. Today, we're diving into 10 crazy gadgets that are as practical as they are fun, each one designed to upgrade your lifestyle, spark curiosity, and maybe even make your friends a little jealous. Buckle up, because this isn't your typical top tech video. These are gadgets that make everyday life unexpectedly thrilling. 12 South Curve Stand for MacBook. First up, the 12 South Curve Stand for MacBook. This isn't just a stand. It's the difference between using your MacBook like a cramped commuter train and giving it the penthouse view it deserves. I remember setting it up for the first time and being genuinely shocked by how much better my posture felt after an hour of work. It's elegantly designed, almost like Apple itself whispered to a designer. Make it feel weightless yet essential. Plus, the airflow underneath helps prevent overheating, which means fewer panicked moments wondering if your MacBook just spontaneously combusted. Pro tip: it looks beautiful on any desk, so even if you're like me and your desk is a disaster zone, it instantly elevates your setup. Urbanista Miami Wireless Headphones. Next, the Urbanista Miami Wireless Headphones. These headphones are basically a vacation for your ears. I tested them on a train ride, and the sound was so crisp and immersive that I half expected to see a tiny orchestra playing inside my head. They're lightweight, stylish, and comfortable enough that you forget you're wearing them, until someone calls your name and you realize you've been nodding along like a background dancer in your own music video. Noise cancellation is impressive, though I did find myself getting too lost in songs and almost missing my stop. Practical advice: keep one ear aware of your surroundings if you're outside. But once you're settled at home or on a commute, it's pure auditory bliss. Vissels LP85 Keyboard. The Vissels LP85 keyboard is a wireless mechanical keyboard that somehow feels like magic under your fingertips. Typing on it is ridiculously satisfying. I actually caught myself typing random sentences just to hear the clicks. I used it during a late-night work session, and it was so smooth that the words practically appeared on my screen before I even realized I typed them. The RGB lighting isn't just flashy. It's customizable enough that you can match it with your desk aesthetic or gaming rig, which makes your setup feel alive. Withings Body plus Wi-Fi Smart Scale. Now, the Withings Body plus Wi-Fi Smart Scale is the kind of gadget that combines science with convenience in ways that are both motivating and slightly terrifying. It doesn't just measure weight, it tracks body fat, muscle mass, water percentage, and even trends over time, syncing everything seamlessly to your phone. I tried it for a month and was fascinated by how small lifestyle changes suddenly became visible in graphs and stats. A minor warning: the first time you step on it after binge eating a pizza, the numbers might be brutal. But instead of despairing, it motivates you to see how tiny shifts make a big difference. It's like having a personal wellness coach that silently judges you every morning. Zensalabs Pen Tablet Medium. The Zensalabs Pen Tablet Medium is a dream for creatives, illustrators, and anyone who's ever wanted to draw something without fighting against technology. I hooked it up to my computer and immediately felt like a digital Picasso, except my coffee stains didn't ruin anything. The pen is precise, the tablet is responsive, and the workflow is smoother than I expected, which makes long drawing sessions less tiring and more fun. It's also surprisingly portable, so whether you're at a cafe or a home studio, creativity is always at your fingertips. Heads up: once you start using this, your old mouse feels like a medieval torture device. Yonanis Classic Frozen Treat Maker. The Yonanis Classic Frozen Treat Maker is the gadget that makes dessert feel like a party trick. You literally feed it bananas, mix in other fruits if you like, and out comes a creamy, soft-serve style treat that's basically guilt-free ice cream. I tried it with a bunch of berries one weekend, and my friends genuinely thought I had some secret culinary powers. The cleanup is easier than expected too, which is always a bonus because, let's be honest, if it's too much work, dessert feels like punishment. Fun fact: It works better with frozen bananas, so stock up before your next snack emergency. Zeiss Cinemizer. OLEDAR glasses. The Zeiss Cinemizer OLED. AR glasses are a mind-bending combination of virtual reality and personal cinema. Imagine watching a movie on what feels like a 100-inch screen while sitting on your couch, and then realizing you can see notifications or even small AR overlays without taking them off. I tried them with a sci-fi film, and it was so immersive that I almost reached out to touch a spaceship during a battle scene. Practical advice: give your eyes breaks. Spending hours glued to an AR display can be intense, but the visual fidelity and clarity make it worth every second. It's basically the closest thing to stepping into a futuristic film set. Astro A40TR Gaming Headset. The Astro A40TR Gaming Headset is an absolute powerhouse for gamers who take sound seriously. I used it for both gaming and movie nights, and the clarity is insane. Explosions hit with impact, dialogue feels crisp, and directional audio makes you feel like a stealth ninja in every game. The comfort level is insane too. I wore it for hours without feeling like my head was being slowly crushed. Caution: once you try a high-end headset like this, your old earbuds or headphones will feel like they've been plotting against you. Bonus: it's customizable with the Mix amp, giving you near total control over your sound environment. BenQ Screenbar Halo Desk Lamp. The BenQ Screenbar Halo Desk Lamp isn't just a light. It's like a personal sunbeam calibrated perfectly for your eyes and workspace. I set it up on my desk, and the difference was immediate. No more harsh reflections, no more squinting at my monitor, just pure, comfortable illumination. The adjustable color temperature is fantastic, so late-night editing sessions don't fry your eyes, and the halo effect gives your desk a subtle, futuristic vibe. Pro tip: if you work with sensitive visual tasks, like design or photo editing, this lamp becomes indispensable very quickly. It's like upgrading from candlelight to the future. Creative Pebble Plus 2.1 Speaker System. Finally, the Creative Pebble Plus 2.1 speaker system is the little speaker setup that punches way above its weight. I hooked it up to my laptop, and suddenly my music and movies had depth I didn't know existed. The subwoofer is compact but powerful, giving bass that surprises you in the best way, while the satellite speakers provide clear highs that make podcasts and songs feel alive. I even started using it for calls, and my coworkers commented on how professional I sounded, which is hilarious because I hadn't changed a thing except my speakers. If any of these caught your eye, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into incredible gadgets, and tell me in the comments which one would you buy first and why.